Have you ever wondered if you could boil and freeze water at the exact same time? Sounds like something straight out of a science fiction movie, right? Boiling means hot, freezing means cold. How can they possibly happen together? Well, get ready to have your mind blown, because not only is it possible, but it's a fascinating phenomenon that reveals the secrets of matter itself. Let's break down what we normally see. At sea level, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees. This is the reality we live in every day. But the secret ingredient we often forget is pressure. The air around us, atmospheric pressure, is constantly pushing down on everything, including that pot of water on your stove. This pressure affects the temperatures at which water changes its state. For example, if you go to the top of Mount Everest, where the air is much thinner and the pressure is lower, water boils at only about 70 degrees Celsius. That's why it's so hard to cook a good meal up there. On the other hand, if you increase the pressure, like in a pressure cooker, the boiling point of water goes way up, which is why food cooks much faster. We know pressure can change the boiling point and the freezing point. This begs the question, is there a magical combination of temperature and pressure where water can exist as a solid, a liquid, and a gas, all at once? The answer is a resounding yes. This incredible point is called the triple point of water. To reach the triple point, you need very specific conditions. Temperature must be almost exactly 0 degrees Celsius specifically, 0.01 degrees Celsius. And the pressure needs to be extremely low, about 0.6% of our normal atmospheric pressure. That's a near-perfect vacuum. When you create these exact conditions in a sealed container, something amazing happens. You'll see a block of ice with liquid water around it, and at the same time, you'll see bubbles forming and rising. That's the water boiling into vapor. It's a chaotic, beautiful dance of all three states of matter coexisting in harmony. The ice is sublimating directly into gas. The water is freezing and boiling simultaneously, and the vapor is condensing back into liquid and depositing into ice. It's a stable, self-regulating equilibrium. Now, you might be thinking, that's a cool party trick, but what's the use? The triple point is actually incredibly important in science, because it happens at such a precise and repeatable temperature and pressure. It's used as a fundamental standard for calibrating thermometers. The Kelvin, the base unit of temperature in the International System of Units, is defined based on the triple point of water. So, every time a scientist needs an ultra-precise temperature measurement, they are relying on this unique physical phenomenon. It's a perfect example of how the universe is full of wonders that challenge our everyday intuition. What seems impossible can be very real under the right set of rules. The simple, familiar substance of water holds these incredible secrets, reminding us there's always more to learn. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the weird world of water. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending science. See you next time.